Welcome to Everyday Better Day. In this week, we will concentrate on improving our personal and professional relationship. We will use an interesting principle from inventory management and try to see how we can adopt that for improving our relationship. Let's explore. Many companies use ABC classification of inventory to manage them efficiently and effectively. A category items are costly ones, high value items. They are monitored very closely and very regularly. B are medium value, which are monitored every month or quarterly. C are low value items, which are monitored on a yearly basis. Before we use ABC classification of inventory in improving our personal and professional relationship, I want to share few relationship principles which are key before we can categorize our relationship. First, relationship principle. Few of our relationship boost our energy. After we meet them, after we talk to them, we feel better. We will want to do it more. The net impact is positive. The second principle, as we have positive relationship, there are few people whom after we speak, we feel drained energy. We feel negative. The emotions are not right. The net impact is negative. As the saying goes, crying baby gets milk. Mostly, the negative people gets our attention. We worry about them, their interaction, at the expense of the most important and positive relationship. How can we use the inventory classification that we discussed to improve our personal and professional relationship? Let's go through the steps. First step, categorize your relationship into A, B, C, D. Take a piece of paper or a notebook. List out everybody in your life whom you interact on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis. Classify them into A, high value, B, medium value, C, low value, and D, who drains your energy. The next step is to handle A category of relationship. Whomever you have categorized as A, three important things have to happen. First, schedule your time for them regularly. Second, spend quality time, not just physically present, but be fully present. Third, whatever happens in this relationship, you take complete ownership. The next step is to handle B category of relationship. Here, we don't have to meet them daily. At least on a quarterly basis, be in touch with them, either over phone, in person, or mail. The most important step, monitor and reflect if any of the B is potentially becoming A. Next step is to manage C category of relationship. Make sure you meet them or in touch with them off-yearly once in some form. The one advantage with C category is they are not part of your daily life, which means they think a little different from your A category of people and you. See if any of them has that potential and bring them into A. Some of my C category are now A category. The next step is to handle the most important category, the D category, which most of us end up giving lots of attention. On the other hand, they are actually taking away time from A and B. So what do you do with them? Forgive them. Forget and remove them from the life. Your life will be better off without them. Not everybody need to be part of your life. Move on. Review your list every 6 months and repeat the steps for A, B, C and D category. If you follow ABC classification in your day-to-day life, you will see that you will start spending quality time with your relationship that matter. Most importantly, the relationship that drains your energy will move away from your life, giving you more peace and happiness. Thanks, and I'll meet you in the next episode.